The EcoBoost name has been a cornerstone of Ford's engine strategy for over a decade. It promised the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and modern turbocharged performance. And for the most part, it delivered. From the F-150 to the Ranger, and even performance cars, EcoBoost engines reshaped what drivers expected from smaller displacement engines. But heading into 2027, something bigger is happening behind the scenes. Something Ford hasn't loudly advertised, and something many dealerships are surprisingly quiet about. This isn't just another incremental update. It's a fundamental refinement of the EcoBoost platform, addressing long-standing weaknesses while unlocking a new level of reliability and performance. Industry insiders and engineers are calling it the most important EcoBoost evolution since its original launch. So why isn't everyone talking about it? Let's break down what's really going on. The problem Ford had to fix. To understand the significance of the 2027 upgrade, you need to understand the issues EcoBoost engines have faced in recent years. While powerful and efficient, several EcoBoost variants, especially the 2.7-liter and 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, have dealt with recurring complaints. Carbon buildup on intake valves, timing chain stretch and wear, turbocharger heat stress, wastegate rattle and failure, oil consumption inconsistencies, cooling system inefficiencies under heavy load. None of these problems affected every engine, but they appeared often enough to damage consumer confidence, especially among truck buyers who depend on durability. Truck owners aren't just looking for performance. They want reliability over 150,000 to 300,000 miles. And that's where EcoBoost, despite its strengths, started to face criticism. Ford knew it had to act. What changed for 2027? The 2027 EcoBoost upgrade is not a single feature. It's a system-wide redesign focused on durability, thermal efficiency, and long-term reliability. Number 1. Next-generation turbo system. One of the most important changes is the redesigned turbocharging system. Ford has introduced electronically controlled wastegates with faster response, improved bearing materials to reduce friction and wear, better heat shielding to manage sustained high-load temperatures. Experts say this directly targets the biggest complaint: turbo failure under towing or heavy use. The new turbos run cooler, respond quicker, and last longer. Number 2. Dual injection system, Port plus direct. Carbon buildup has been one of the biggest long-term issues with direct injection engines. For 2027, Ford expands its dual injection strategy across more EcoBoost engines. That means port injection cleans intake valves, direct injection maintains power and efficiency, reduced carbon deposits over time. This is a major win for longevity and maintenance costs. Engineers estimate this change alone could extend engine life significantly in high-mileage trucks. 3. Reinforced timing components. Timing chain stretch has been a known issue in earlier EcoBoost engines. The 2027 update includes stronger timing chains, redesigned tensioners, improved lubrication pathways. These changes are subtle but critical. Timing system failure is one of the most expensive engine repairs, and Ford is clearly aiming to eliminate that risk. Number 4. Advanced cooling architecture. Heat is the enemy of turbocharged engines. Ford's new system includes larger intercoolers, optimized coolant flow, smart thermal management software. This ensures consistent performance even under extreme conditions, like towing, off-roading, or hot climates. Experts say this is especially important for truck buyers in regions with high temperatures or heavy-duty usage. 5. Updated engine calibration and software. Modern engines are as much software as they are mechanical. Ford has reworked boost control logic, fuel delivery timing, knock detection systems. The result is smoother power delivery, better fuel efficiency, and less stress on internal components. This also reduces turbo lag, one of the most common complaints about earlier EcoBoost engines. Why dealers aren't talking about it? Now here's where things get interesting. Despite these major improvements, many dealerships are not highlighting the 2027 EcoBoost upgrade. In fact, some are barely mentioning it at all. Why? 1. Inventory pressure on older models. Dealers still have 2025 and 2026 models on lots. If customers realize the 2027 models are significantly improved, reliability issues are being addressed, long-term ownership costs may be lower. They may delay purchases. That's bad for short-term sales. 2. Avoiding conversations about past issues. Talking about the upgrade raises an uncomfortable question. What was wrong with the previous engines? Dealers prefer to focus on features, not past problems. But informed buyers are starting to connect the dots. 3. Margin strategy. Newer models often come with lower initial discounts, higher demand, stronger pricing power. Dealers may prefer to sell current inventory with incentives rather than promote future models that are harder to negotiate. 4. Complexity of the upgrade. Let's be honest, most buyers don't ask about timing chain materials or injection systems. Explaining these changes requires technical knowledge, and not every salesperson is equipped to do that. So instead, they keep things simple. Expert insight: why this upgrade matters more than it seems. From an engineering perspective, the 2027 EcoBoost update is not flashy, but it's incredibly important. Here's why experts believe it's a turning point. Reliability is the new battleground. Horsepower wars are slowing down. Almost every truck today makes more than enough power. What buyers care about now is longevity, maintenance cost, real-world durability. Ford's update directly targets those priorities. Turbo engines are under scrutiny. Turbocharged engines have faced skepticism, especially from traditional truck buyers who trust naturally aspirated V8s. This upgrade is Ford's answer to that skepticism. By addressing heat, wear, and carbon buildup, Ford is trying to prove that turbo engines can be just as durable, if not more so. Fleet buyers will pay attention. Commercial buyers and fleet operators track reliability data closely. If the 2027 EcoBoost engines show improved durability, fleet adoption could increase, resale values could rise, market perception could shift. That's a big deal. What this means for truck buyers. If you're considering a Ford truck, the 2027 update changes the equation. If you plan to keep your truck long-term, the 2027 EcoBoost is likely the better choice. You'll benefit from reduced maintenance risk, improved engine lifespan, better performance consistency. If you're looking for a deal, older models 25 to 2026 may offer bigger discounts, incentives and rebates, immediate availability. But you may be trading short-term savings for long-term risk if you tow or haul frequently. The improved cooling and turbo durability make the 2027 models especially appealing. Heavy-duty use is where the biggest improvements will be felt. The bigger picture, Ford's strategy. This upgrade isn't just about fixing problems, it's about future-proofing the EcoBoost platform. Ford is clearly preparing for stricter emissions regulations, increased competition from hybrid and electric trucks, higher customer expectations for reliability. By refining EcoBoost instead of replacing it, Ford is doubling down on turbocharged engines as a long-term solution. Is this enough to win back trust? That's the big question. EcoBoost engines have always been impressive on paper, but trust is built over time and sometimes lost quickly. The 2027 upgrade shows that Ford is listening to customer complaints, listening to reliability data, listening to market trends. But the real test will come on the road. If these engines deliver 200,000 plus miles with fewer issues, lower maintenance costs, consistent performance, then EcoBoost could regain its reputation as one of the best engine platforms in the industry. Final thoughts. The 2027 EcoBoost upgrade isn't flashy. It won't dominate headlines the way horsepower figures or new designs do, but in many ways, it's more important than either. This is Ford quietly fixing what needed to be fixed, without making a big marketing spectacle out of it. And that's exactly why many dealers aren't talking about it. Because once buyers understand what's changed, they'll start asking tougher questions. Why didn't this come sooner? Is this version more reliable? Should I wait? For informed buyers, the answer might be yes. The 2027 EcoBoost isn't just an update, it's a correction, a refinement, a step toward making turbocharged trucks as dependable as they are powerful. And if Ford got it right this time, it could change the truck market in ways most people aren't even noticing yet.